Hello dear students, a very good morning to you all. Today I am going to explain third chapter of your grammar book. The topic is pronouns. Please open your book at page number 25 and take a pencil in hand, and whenever I ask you just underline or write down whatever I say, whatever I ask you to write in book. So let's get started. Read the paragraph and underline the pronouns. Anya and her brother are going to their grandmother's house. In this sentence, as you are asked to underline the pronouns, so you just find out the pronouns. So first you will underline her, okay? Her brother. So underline her and their grandmother. So underline their. These two are pronouns here in this sentence. She is called Stella. Underline she because she is pronoun. Though she is 80 years old, she cooks for her grandchildren herself when they visit her. So in this sentence also, though she is, underline she, okay, and though she is 80 years old, she cooks, again she, for her underline, grandchildren herself, underline herself, they, when they, underline they, visit her, again underline her. She loves each of them very much. So here you underline she and then them, 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 underline its pronoun, them very much. The big house that she lives is in it hers, in is hers, okay. So here underline she and hers. So you have got her, their, she again she, then again her, underline herself, they, her, she, them, she, hers. So these are the pronouns you have underlined, okay. Now let's see what is the definition of pronoun. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Pronouns agree with the nouns they replace in number and gender. So pronoun, what is pronoun? So pronouns are words that are used in place of noun, okay. You know it well, I think, because you got this chapter or you got this topic in your previous classes too, right? So pronouns agree with the noun, so it must agree with the noun. They replace in number and gender, so you must be very careful while replacing nouns with a pronoun. So you must agree with number and gender. Pronouns can be categorized into the following types. So there are 9 different types of pronouns: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, distributive pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. So let us see first what is personal pronouns. So we have 9 different types of pronouns, and in this chapter you will learn about all these different types. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of the names of the people and things. So in place of the name of people and thing, we use personal pronoun. If the personal pronoun is the doer of the action, for example, the subject of the sentence, it is called a subject pronoun. If the pronoun receives the action done by the subject, it is called the object pronoun. So, have you understood? If the personal pronoun is the doer of the action, the subject of the sentence is called subject pronoun. And if the pronoun receives the action done by the object, it is called the object pronoun. Examples: they liked her very much. Here, they is used as subject. So, they is subject pronoun. And her, he receives the receives the action, that's why her is an object pronoun. She gave the book to him. Here again, she subject pronoun, him object pronoun. So if the doer of the action, the subject, then it is subject pronoun, and if it receives the action, then it is called object pronoun. Okay. So person, first person, then here is a table. Let's see. The table lists the personal pronouns. Singular, first person, I, we, singular and plural. Object, me and us, object pronoun. If it is singular, me, then if it is plural, then us. Second person, the same, you and you only. Third person, in singular, he, she, it is subject pronoun. They is subject pronoun in plural form. And in object pronoun, singular, him, her, it, and in plural object pronoun, we should write them. So now let's fill in the blanks. Let's do exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct personal pronouns. Please underline the correct one with your pencil in your book. These are good friends from now on. You and I. Okay, you and I are good friends from now on. Many more options are there. Why you and I? You just find it out yourself. You can see the watch out. You see, I always comes last when a set of pronouns and nouns are used together. So you and I. You cannot write I and you. Okay. So I always comes at last, and it is the correct use of this pronoun. Second, my mother has made chicken stew and appams for me and my friends. So underline me and my friends. Number 3, the teacher is very angry with us. Okay. Number 4, they are going to start a business soon. Lina and I. Okay, Lina and I. Number 5, the workers have put in long hours. The employers have promised them a holiday next week. Underline them. Her dog loves us. Okay, underline us. Number 7, these are the winners of the musical contest, Mohan and I. Number 8, these are going on trip to Sri Lanka, she and I. Okay. So, dear students, let me stop here today. I'll continue the later part in my next class.